Is salt kosher? Kosher salt, a staple ingredient in cooking and food preparation, offers a distinctive flavor and unique texture that sets it apart from table salt. Kosher salt, as the name suggests, is primarily used in the koshering process of meat. Unlike table salt, it does not contain any additives such as iodine or anti-caking agents. The absence of these additives allows kosher salt to provide a purer flavor and texture enhancement to food. Brining and kashering are two techniques commonly used in cooking and preparing meat. Both methods involve the use of kosher salt to enhance flavor and ensure adherence to dietary laws. Can I use table salt instead of kosher salt? While table salt can be used as a substitute for kosher salt in certain recipes, it's important to note that they have different textures and densities. While the taste difference may not be drastic, many chefs and home cooks prefer using kosher salt for its unique qualities. Some brands may carry certifications from recognized organizations indicating that their products meet specific standards of Kashrut, Jewish dietary laws. Thanks for watching. Check the link in description for more details.